Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a bad AC fan motor and it's time to replace it? The first sign that you know that the AC fan motor is not working is the AC fan is not turning on when the AC is activated. When the AC fan motor is not turning on, the first thing you should check is make sure to check the fuse and check the relay for the AC fan motor. Next, check the connection at the AC fan motor. Make sure the connection is not loose. Make sure the connection is not burnt, because if the connection is burnt, most likely the fan motor is seized and is causing this connection to heat up and burn. If the fan motor is seized at this point, you're probably going to notice some sort of burning smell coming from the fan motor. The next sign that you know that the AC fan motor is failing is going to be strange noise coming from the AC fan motor. For example, you can hear buzzing noise, you can hear some sort of clacking noise, you can hear some sort of grinding noise, you're going to hear some sort of slapping noise. If you hear a strange noise coming from the AC fan motor, it is time to conduct an inspection. First thing first, to prevent the AC fan motor from accidentally turning on, make sure to disconnect the terminal at the battery. The next thing you want to do is make sure to visually inspect the fan. Make sure there is no debris caught up between the fan motor and the blade. Make sure there is no broken blade at the fan. Make sure the blade is not touching the shroud. And also next, you want to grab the blade and you kind of want to wobble it around. Make sure it's not loose or it's making any odd noises. And next you want to do is turn the fan. If you hear some sort of grinding noise or some sort of unusual noise, then it is time to replace this AC fan motor. The next sign that you know that the AC fan motor is failing is going to be the AC fan is spinning very slow. When the AC fan motor spins too slow, the AC condenser cannot dissipate heat fast enough. Therefore, it will affect the AC system. For example, you may notice warm air coming out of the AC vent, or you may notice inconsistent cold air coming out of the AC vent. The best way to check if the AC fan motor is working properly is just supply power to the connection. The AC fan motor is a basic DC motor, and all you need is 12 volts to get it to run. So here's the basic setup. All you need is jumper wires and jump it right at the connection. Next, you're going to need a power source that's going to be 12 volt. Once the connection is set up, all you need to do is just turn it on and make sure the AC fan motor is functioning properly. As you can see, the AC fan was blowing strong and there is no odd noises. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.